Akai Pro Mpc Key 37 is coming soon. Leak: Akai Pro Mpc Key 37 synthesizer workstation is around the corner, and will probably be announced for NAMM 2024. Update: new photo leaked last week. There was a rumor in the media that Akai Pro will soon release a new MPC hardware. This news indicates the current banner Akai Pro has chosen to introduce the new highly anticipated MPC stems functionality. On it, you can see a red MPC device, not the MPC One Plus with a still unknown layout. Today, light comes into the darkness. A new photo leak reveals it. It will be an MPC Key 37, a more compact version of the MPC Key 61. Some suggested a small-budget MPC that is even cheaper than the MPC One Plus. There was also the other group that guessed an MPC Key 37. Bravo, you're right here. The new leaked photos show a box and the hardware of the MPC Key 37. This appeared in the MPC users group on Reddit in the night. As you can already see on the banner, the upcoming MPC Key 37 will be shiny red. It is a very striking color that has already been chosen for the new MPC One Plus. This will likely be on the same MPC software architecture as the large MPC Key 61, only with 37 keys.